Hello, and this is going to be a video showing you how to set up your mods for the 101st Airborne public server and training server. First thing, you're going to want to open up your TeamSpeak and go into the 101st Airborne TeamSpeak. I'm already in it, so you got to go up to the mods list channel here in the top. Click on the channel, and on the right side there'll be a column for basically all the mods that you need here. You're gonna Arma 2 launcher is required for the unit, and you need to download that. I'll show you how to set that up. Or if you don't want to do all these separately, you can right click on this file browser right here. Open up that file browser, and there's a mods one here. Download that mods one. You just double click on it or click on it and then click on the download file. And once it's done downloading, that might take a while. I already have it downloaded, so mine's right here, and I open this up and it's got all the files in it. Minimize that, and next thing you're going to go into your Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead mod folder. To do this, you can go to Start, Computer, your hard drive, Program Files, times 86. Scroll down to where it says Steam, and open that one. Go down to where it says Steam Apps, then Common, then Operation Airhead. My mods are all in here. As you can see, all these are in here, set up. Those are the only ones I got in there. I left those in there so you could see what it should look like. So you just basically drag these and throw it in there. And just go ahead and minimize that because you're done with that for right now. Now you gotta set up Arma 2 launcher though. This is different. You're gonna want to run it first off, and if it doesn't come up, all you gotta do is hover over it down here, right click, maximize. That's gonna open it up here to you. I already have it all done. Profiles, if it doesn't come up with the message that it will come up with soon, I'll show you how to do that. You just go to Profiles, create new profile, and name it whatever you want. I'll just do 1, 2, whatever. I'm going to use that one. And it's going to give you this message. This is the message you need, because this is how you're going to set up, link your mods to the launcher. Arma 2, notice it says Arma 2, click yes. You're going to go, and the last folder I was in is where it's going to go to. So I was in this one. All I got to do is go back to, actually I'll just restart and show you. Local disk, Program Files, 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and Arma 2. Because Arma 2 is the first one. You're going to click on this right here. Arma 2, the actual application itself, has a picture here so you can see that. Open. Don't double click, and make sure you click open. It's going to give you this one, Operation Arrowhead. Yes. All you have to do is, because this is the last one I was in, you just go back to Common, Operation Arrowhead, and down to the OA application. Make sure you don't click on server too, because that's like a server. Then this one you click open, and then once you refresh it up here at this one, it'll come up with your mods in this one, and this over here is the same. If you click this little plus button right here, you see, opens up a group. You just take these, drag them in there, drag them in, all of them, and check mark every one of them. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to change Arma 2 to Arma 2 CO, Combined Operations, what that stands for. And these, don't mess with these. Those will screw it up. And you just run it, start game. If you get an error, which most people do because of the user config files, the TWP cas or whatever that file is, come into TeamSpeak, we'll help you out with that. But this is basically set up for this, so you can just go ahead and X out or minimize whatever you want to do. And the last thing is the Acre. Acre is really easy to install. You open up that one folder that you should have minimized and go to the Acre mod. Then there's going to be a plugins folder here. These plugins, the 32 and 64 stands for a 32-bit operating system and a 64-bit operating system. So you can take them both and just copy them both here and copy, and I recommend doing that because it just makes sure that you got both of the files, and then you're going to go back until you get to program files 86. Once you're here, open it up and scroll down to where you see TeamSpeak 3 client. If it's not in this 86 folder, because sometimes people install it to this folder, the other program files. Mine's not in there, but some people do. Mine's in the 86 one. TeamSpeak 3 client, open it up, plugins folder, and mine's in here, like that. Left it in there so you can see. Again, just paste them in there, drag them in there, whatever you got to do. I'm not showing that because that's pretty self-explanatory stuff to get those in there. Make sure you don't remove it from the Acre mod itself. Copy and paste it, and you can exit out of that. Next thing, go ahead and restart your TeamSpeak, and actually just shut it off, basically, and go on the desktop. If you right-click on it, it'll say all this stuff. Go to Properties and Compatibility, and down here in the bottom, there's a box here, Run as Administrator. You're going to make sure that box is checked, click Apply, and OK. Same with your Arma 2 launcher here. You got to do this. This will set it to where it'll run your game as administrator every single time, and you're just going to click the box down here and Apply and OK. So then it'll come up with, you click on it and it'll give you this message. Once you're in it, it does that every time, by the way, too, even if you want to reopen it, if you do that, whatever. Go to find out if you have Acre like mine says right here. Arma Acre version 1.4.10, Arma 2 connected. No, that will only say yes if you are in game in Arma 2. So if it says no when you're in game, running around doing whatever you want, there's something wrong with it. Come talk to somebody in TeamSpeak. To find out or to turn on the plug and activate it in here, all you got to do is, if you've seen that, settings, plugin, and make sure this is check marked. So mine there's check marked, and it should be good. If it doesn't show it still, even though you check marked it, exit out, load it back up, and you should be good. The last thing, the Arma 2 launcher errors. A lot of people get different errors, like the user config file, CBA stuff. Come in TeamSpeak, we'll help you out. Any questions about the video or anything you'd like to see different, tell us, let us know. Give me feedback on if it was easy enough. So thanks for watching.